Hello, my name is Ava Hill and I'm a co-founder at Cynopsis. It's a pleasure to be here today to share a little bit more about Cynopsis and what we do. So Cynopsis is a B2B regulatory technology company that specializes in KYC, KYB and AML. Very simply put, what Cynopsis does is it applies the latest functional technologies, those of machine learning, natural language processing, biometrics, and many others, to the age-old problem of client onboarding. Just because a particular task is repetitive and mundane does not mean that it's not important. If a firm gets the client onboarding journey wrong, it can lead to some significant risks to that organization. It can lead to heavy fines, reputational impacts, and of increasing importance today, it can also lead to a poor initial user experience. So what we do here at Cynopsis is basically automate the manual and digitize the analog to improve that client initial journey. We have three products in the market at the moment. We have Artemis, which is concerned with digital onboarding, ID and document verification. We have Artemis, which is an e-KYC case management system that conducts an automated risk assessment, risk bucketing of clients that then drives the ongoing due diligence. And then finally, we have Athena, which is concerned with transaction monitoring. Now, all of these platforms are connected and configurable. That's why we are able to support so many clients across so many different jurisdictions. So to give you some background on Cynopsis, we were founded in 2014, and we now have offices across the globe. We have offices in Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and most recently, the United States. And as I've already said, we support 1,600 clients across 28 different jurisdictions. So from a market perspective, the opportunity set is huge. Banks alone spend in excess of $200 billion on their compliance on an annual basis. And that figure is only set to grow. So we have competitors in each of those three different verticals. So you'd have heard of the likes of Onfido, Jumio, Trulio, Finergo, Nice Actimize, etc. We currently work with large banks such as Standard Chartered. We also work with insurers like Avere, accountants like BDO, etc. And we have partnerships with AWS, Dow Jones, and Refinitiv. And there below are just a few of the awards that we have won. So areas of possible cooperation between Baker McKenzie, Essen Attorney Partnership, and Cynopsis. We can consider a number of different initiatives, from white label compliance, your own internal use of the capability, or a specific project for your clients. Just to round up, Cynopsis has 50 employees. They are split between front, middle, and back office, with approximately 25 staff focused on sales, business development, client service, relationship management, etc., and 25 on our own team. From a management perspective, we have all had long careers in financial services. Both Chaikit and I spent over 25 years in tier one investment banks. Chaikit, for instance, was regional head of compliance for Macquarie Bank. Dan worked for Deutsche and Xiong worked for UBS, and myself, I worked for JP Morgan and Bank of New York Mellon. So that was a very quick overview of Cynopsis, our capabilities, and what we do. And I look forward to any questions that you might have. Thank you for your attention.